In the past few weeks, many niches went viral. Skeleton shorts, the trending pick-a-door niche, cute animal videos. But honestly, in my 2 years of teaching YouTube automation, I haven't discovered a niche like this one. Check this out.
Soy sauce in your burger meat. Sounds wrong, but it adds more flavor than salt ever could. Try it once and you'll never go back.
Next time you make mac and cheese, splash a little.
I was scrolling Instagram Reels when I stumbled upon this page, Cook Clarify. Over 500,000 followers with only 35 total reels, pulling millions of views across their videos. Then another similar page appeared in my feed with 800,000 followers and just 78 reels, pulling even higher number of views. It's hyper-cinematic 3D health storytelling, where supplements, food, and habits speak like real characters, confessing the biological truth in raw. Health and fitness content has one of the highest RPMs on the platform. This niche works across YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram simultaneously. And even if you're already running another niche, you can still do this, because I found a method to create these videos in under 10 minutes. Plus, I have a huge giveaway announcement in this video, so make sure you stick around till the end. Let's jump straight into the process. But quick note, if you're interested in the trending pick-a-door niche I mentioned, I have a complete tutorial on my channel. Link is in the description. You can check that out after this video. For this niche, we will use ChatGPT because without GPT, this niche can consume a lot of time and results won't be that good. I will tell you the reason shortly. First of all, you need this master prompt. This prompt is very powerful and will help you in getting non-generic and top-performing topics. Just copy and paste this prompt inside of ChatGPT. This prompt explains GPT our niche from A to Z. Inside of this prompt, you will have empty placeholders. Inside these placeholders, you need to input a bigger number like 30, 40, or 50. And there's a big reason behind it that most people neglect. When you command for a higher number of topics, first, GPT is going to provide some basic topics that it will provide to any user, which is the surface-level basic topics. But as it goes deeper, it will start spitting topics that 90% of the time go untouched, because most of the people just ask for 5 or 10 topics. So by following this method, you are getting the best topics. But if you choose any random stuff, you are again doing a mistake. For your first few shorts, you definitely need to pick best topics. So just ask AI to give you 5 to 6 best objects from the list it provided that have the highest chances of resonating with a broader audience. This way, it's going to give you the best list of objects that will 10x your results. Now, once you have the topics, you need to open GPT in a new tab, then head to Explore GPTs and on the search bar type Object Talk and go with the first one. Now, this is a custom GPT, which is fully trained and ready to use. Only thing you need to do is copy and paste the list of the objects from your previous chat into this custom GPT and hit Generate. And it is automatically going to write you image prompt plus the dialogue script for all of your objects. Now, most of the people working in this niche are using this custom GPT to make their videos, but I will tell you a trick that will make your shorts 100 times better than theirs. Now you need another short prompt, which you will again find in the Google document. You need to copy and paste this prompt into the Object Talk GPT, and now the Object Talk GPT will also include premium motion animation into each prompt as well, which will make your characters perform amazing and realistic actions as well. This way you get everything in your hands in a matter of seconds. You can easily get this Google document from the prompts channel inside of my Discord server. Link will be in the description of this video. Now it's time for image and video creation. And this part is very important, and I have a giveaway announcement as well. So for visual creation, we will be using an amazing all-in-one AI tool named Video Inu. This AI tool has almost every best image and video model available in the market. First of all, simply create a free account in Video Inu, and you will land on this interface. First of all, we will create our images, and for that, simply head to AI image feature from the left bar, and now you can select some of the trending image models from here, including Nano Banana 2 and trending Sea-Dance models as well. Now simply copy the first prompt from Custom GPT, but only copy the image prompt part and paste it inside of Video Inu, and feel free to test out the top models. Make sure to select aspect ratio as 9:16. You can also select the resolution of your image and hit Generate. I am going to use both Nano Banana 2 and Sea-Dance 5.0 Lite to see which actually performs the best, and as you can see the results by yourself, they are already looking great. Both models have given extraordinary results. Following the same method, you can use other prompts and create all of your images, but only use the image prompt part, not script and motion for image creation. Just check out the images. I have generated all of them, and the quality and details is astonishing. All of them are looking mind-blowing, especially the facial details. Once all the images are created, it's time to animate all of these images, and for that, simply head to AI Video feature. Then from the drop-down, first of all, make sure to select Image to Video, and then you will have a list of all top models. For this niche, the most powerful models are Kling 2.6 and 3.0, with the best audio and animation quality. For this demonstration, I will test the power of Kling 3.0 because at the moment it's considered the best animation model in the world. So simply select the model and upload your first image here. After that, head back to Custom GPT and copy the script and animation description as well, and paste them both in here. After that, select aspect ratio as 9:16 and set duration as 10 seconds, and hit generate. Video generation can take up to 5 minutes. You don't need to wait and animate one by one. You can upload other images as well and utilize their script and animation prompts to set them to animation as well. All of this is going to take roughly 5 to 8 minutes. Let me show you the results.
I am melatonin. I'm supposed to help sleep, not replace good habits. Late screens, midnight scrolling, chaotic bedtimes. Then suddenly I'm the solution. Sleep doesn't work like that.
As you can see, dialogue, lip sync, and animation are to the point. Kling 3.0 definitely is the most powerful model out there. Now let me do the giveaway announcement. I am going to provide 2 pro accounts of Video Inu to my random subscribers. All you need to do is type #ProvenTube and #ObjectTalk in the comment section of this video, and in the next video, I am going to pick winners live and they will get Pro Video Inu accounts. Now, once all the material is ready, simply import all of your clips inside of CapCut and make sure to place all of them on the timeline. Now pay close attention. Don't arrange them randomly. Instead, watch all of your clips and check out which of the 2 are the best among all, and place them in the starting since audience drop-off is high during initial seconds. So you need to use the best clips to avoid massive drop-off and then arrange them all. Once this step is done, simply head to Transitions and drag and drop this mixed transition between each clip. After that, simply head to Filters and drag and drop a filter named 4K on the timeline and stretch it on the entire timeline. Make sure to keep its strength between 70 and 80, and it will significantly improve the overall quality of your clips. After that, make sure to select all of the video clips, and then from the video section, simply enable Enhance Quality feature and select Level as UHD, which will turn your clips into Ultra HD. After that, from below, also turn on Reduce Image Noise feature as well, and make sure to select Level as Strong, and it's going to fix the noise and pixel issues from the clips. After that, simply head to Text and apply auto captions to your video. Once done, make sure to select a good caption template and place your captions at a suitable position so that they don't interfere with the visuals. After that, for your personal branding, simply head to Text and drag and drop default text on the timeline, and inside of this text, just write your channel name. Make sure to select a big, bold font. Then after that, select the color of the text as yellow and scroll a little below and turn on the stroke and keep the color of the stroke as white. After that, right-click on the clip text and create Compound Clip. Once done, head to Remove BG feature and turn on Chroma Key and drop this cursor on the yellow color and increase strength a little bit. After that, go to Blend and turn the opacity to 45 and reduce the size of your text and place it somewhere on top, left or right, or under the captions, and you will have this cool, transparent branding for your channel as well. In final, simply add a good background music to your video, which you can either create using AI or download from YouTube's audio library. Just make sure to reduce the volume, and that's it. Our video is ready. Let's see the final results.
I am the chips bag. That crunch you're here? Not an accident. Salt, fat, texture, carefully tuned. You stopped being hungry a while ago.
I am melatonin. I'm supposed to help sleep, not replace good habits. Late screens, midnight scrolling, chaotic bedtimes. Then suddenly I'm the solution. Sleep doesn't work like that.
I am sugar. Everyone calls me harmless. But watch what happens the second I hit your blood light streams. Your brain lights up, dopamine spikes, and suddenly, funny how the smallest cube keeps winning.
I am the alarm cock. Your body's still repairing, deep sleep not finished yet, but the schedule says it's morning. So I ring anyway, and you start the day already tired. I am water. You say you're tired, foggy, running on empty. Another coffee, another energy drink. Meanwhile, I've been sitting here the whole time, half full and completely ignored.